permintaan untuk Bitcoin, Cikgu Rashid?
Okay, I think siapa yang trade Bitcoin last week mungkin at least kalau tak dapat sampai level yang kita mention, mungkin at least dapatlah dalam 5,000, 6,000 rasanya. Bitcoin. Okay, I think last week kita ada bagi tahu pasal level 40,000 rasanya.
38 kot.
Yalah, masa saya kata dia dah break 40,000 and then
if break will go to
we said it at that time I think it was 39 or 38 punya level. We said it, of course kita punya level dekat 30 to 25 and then worst case ataupun the best case is 20, but I think somehow dekat 34 okay, dia dah naik ke atas. I think people were panic, okay, of course right now with the crisis, okay, of course Bitcoin ataupun crypto become in a demand, okay, to certain extent, sebab this is a benefit ataupun one of the advantage siapa yang trade crypto, because they're not part of Federal Reserve ataupun banks ataupun any control, okay. Crypto stand on its own, dia ada network dia ataupun blockchain dia. So in terms of crisis now, crypto is the new gold ataupun new safe haven to certain extent. Although sebenarnya dia tak, tapi people still perceive this is a new safe haven for future generation. Okay, so they tak go through the typical banks. Contohnya lah sekarang ni, all those sanction that happening in Russia. Of course, if I'm a Russian billionaire, okay, I will shift all my money, paper money, US dollar, into crypto. Okay, so that I can move it out anywhere I want to use it. So I won't be to certain extent sanctioned. Although there are ways, still you can get the money can be still be recovered, okay, and then can be sanctioned, because crypto pun you kena keluarkan, you still have to go through the exchange ataupun you have to go through the current banking institution to turn it into it, unless you make some kind of a purchase ataupun you make some kind of a transfer via blockchain, then you don't have to go through any, because crypto on its own you cannot do anything unless you buy it, maybe Tesla ataupun anything via crypto, okay. But still you cannot let's say if you have a billion of crypto, then you still need to turn into cash to be used ataupun yang ni lah, sebab you tak boleh beli property pakai crypto. Maybe you can beli Tesla ataupun I don't know, maybe kalau boleh beli Lamborghini ataupun boleh beli Ferrari, McLaren pakai crypto, then probably yes.
Last time can beli nasi lemak, Cikgu Rashid.
Ada juga saya dengar nasi lemak, ikan kembung.
Yes.
Dekat Kelantan ada boleh beli ikan kembung apa semua tu pakai crypto. But I don't think right now with the level.
Yeah, now I don't know. But last time yes.
Masa tu dia level 1,000 ataupun 1,000 ke bawah boleh beli.
Yes.
Okay, but anyway, crypto at this point, people saying crypto probably will go up, but I think there are more consensus that crypto still probably come and find another one or two support, okay. Whether it comes in the next couple of days, couple of weeks, or couple of months, only we have to wait and see. But still market is seeing that this is will have to come down to get orang kata lots of kalau orang crypto dia panggil apa, veil lah, apalah, okay. So there are lots of people waiting dekat bawah sini, okay, because it's still on a bearish, okay. As long as I think I mentioned last time 44k, and also the previous one is about 50. This one is about 52, okay. As long as around 44k and 52k is still below on these two levels, then we still sell on rally. But the moment they break above 52, then it probably goes up again, become bullish. So I think crypto will come down, although there is a Russia-Ukraine issue still going on, okay. But ada orang kata the Ukraine is among the I don't know whether it's for mining, okay, but I was told maybe crypto users ataupun crypto investors, also a lot of them in Ukraine, okay. So this issue probably also can make Bitcoin to untuk drop, although from logic ataupun correlation wise, crypto supposed to go up during the crisis ataupun geopolitical issue. So ini sama macam gold macam junam tu, so masa safe haven patutnya gold kena atas. So maybe some kind of thing is also might happen for crypto. So I'm still thinking ataupun estimating the crypto will come down to about 30 to 25k around this zone. Okay, Bun?
Ya, Cikgu. Okay. Terima kasih, Cikgu Rashid. Then actually, Cikgu Rashid, about Bitcoin ni, saya perasan kalau ada sentimen negatif, dia turun. Dia tak macam go, yalah, kalau safe haven kan, go akan mencanak naik kan. Tapi saya perhatikan kripto ni kalau ada isu macam perang, dia macam terbalik pula. Dia turun.
Not really, macam saya kata, crypto okay, dia crypto is a new gold, okay. So masa sentiment negatif semua patutnya dia naik sama macam gold.
Yes.
But macam saya bagi tahu, okay, it's like some other people are afraid ataupun there's some other issues. Okay, it's not only geopolitical, macam apa the regulation, even China. I think I'm not sure whether they ban the crypto mining. I think they already
before
banned it.
this,
So that's why it has been dropping, and also of course Elon Musk also lately didn't tweet about all this crypto kind because he's also facing some kind of a issue with the SEC on his insider trading apa semua tu. But again, crypto since dia pergi dekat atas ni, okay, since I think somewhere from 55-60,000 market from this point they already predicting it's going to be a bearish trend for some time for crypto, okay. So of course that's why saya kata bila dia patutnya negative sentiment patutnya dia naik ke atas tapi still ke bawah, okay, because either probably people are afraid on a certain thing or scared, they just dumping and then holding cash ataupun holding, because now even the billionaires ataupun the investors also don't know what to do. Okay, dia macam kalau dia orang hold contohnya lah dalam equity, okay, equity pun down dekat Russia, okay, and dekat US pun dia down, okay. Gold dah terlalu ke atas, which is so kalau dia orang pergi ke Bitcoin, but Bitcoin dia punya own sets of problems in terms of the especially particularly regulation, and so now people going on the environment kind of thing, and then they don't like the Bitcoin mining, okay. So that's why there are lots of more negative sentiment on Bitcoin, okay, that's taking place. Although macam Russia-Ukraine issue sepatutnya dia push this, but at this point it's not happening, although it happened a bit, but we are still forcing Bitcoin. I think people are dumping to move into, I don't know, holding cash ataupun gold ataupun
Cikgu Rashid. Or is it due to like just how Cikgu Rashid ada cakap kan, sebab Bitcoins we cannot buy a lot of things, right? Anyhow we have to convert to cash. So when have war, so they think like anyhow they have to convert to cash, right? So better they turn to gold.
Yeah. So that's why I think so people probably go back to the old traditional way, go back to gold, because even Bitcoin, I think a couple of months ago, when you read it, I think there's a hacking happened dekat US, the pipeline ataupun ni, I think it was done by, okay, it was orang ingatkan done by Russia, okay, and the money was paid to the hackers using the crypto, okay.
Oh, okay.
A few hundred millions or something, and US managed to recover semua ataupun partly all those crypto coin from those hackers. So that's why people are saying even if I hold, let's say lah, Russian oligarch ataupun billionaires holding Bitcoin, okay, even if for example they move into Bitcoin, US can actually recover because at the end of the day, it's a blockchain is still a technology. Okay, if they can hack anything in a computer, anything can be hacked in a computer. Okay, and if the money can be even recovered, because the one of the reason crypto was so powerful ataupun so in demand because it's outside of the normal legal system ataupun banking system. Okay, that means the movement cannot be traced back. But with that kind of incident, since that incident happened, then people say even crypto also not safe. That means, for example, let's say contohnya lah sekarang ni Putin is holding about let's say 10 billion in crypto, for example. Okay, because of this reason, Putin is like a, let's say considered as a criminal atau considered as a bad person. If all the countries, atau particularly US, they want to block, they can actually move. For example, I'm just saying, okay, US can actually just move Putin punya apa tu duit dalam crypto to somebody else. Okay, it's just an analogy. Okay, I'm not saying Putin is holding it. So any apa orang Russia that close to Putin, okay, ataupun anybody that ni ataupun any banking ataupun any individuals from Russia in support of this invasion, they are holding crypto. Those crypto coin can be moved out from the individual account. So that's why crypto also not so safe. Although initially this is supposed to be the safest currency ataupun safest asset outside of the normal legal banking system. That means the movement cannot be traced, etc. But because of the loss of trafficking, drug lords, siapa tu mafia, money laundering, all those. So somehow or other, crypto also can be traced back, and also can be the money can be recovered back. Dia macam contoh sekarang ni kan, isu 1MDB, tiba-tiba ada aset dah beli dekat luar ataupun dah pergi dekat contoh dekat apa Cayman Island, something like that, but they managed to recover certain thing, etc. So similar thing in crypto. Initially crypto supposed nobody knows how the money move, but now looks like it's not the case.
I see. Okay, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid.